Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful, very attractive, very festive 3-tier gift box with all the paper quilling flowers. And can you see the sandwich here? The 3 layers of the boxes and all these papers which I have used to decorate the box are handmade, which I have already shown in my previous video. And the box will open like this. I have put Rakhi on topmost layer. Then on the second layer I have put one envelope inside which I have put some cash. You can also fill this medium layer with some dry fruits, and on the last layer I have put some chocolates. You can put gift or roli chawal or anything, whatever you like. Isn't it a great idea? So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking this 11 by 11 centimeter yellow color cardstock. From left side I have creased at 1, 6, 7 and 10 centimeters, and I am just burnishing all the creases first. I am starting with making the bottom most box, which is actually the shadow box, and here I am making the edges of all the sides. So this is the first edge. I have joined first and last layers together using glue like this, and the pipe kind of shape is ready. Similarly I have prepared one more with the same measurements. Now keeping it aside, then taking one more cardstock which is 11 by 11 centimeters, and again I have creased at 1, 6, 7 and 10 centimeters. Now can you see the first and second crease line? So I'm just marking from left and right sides at 1 centimeters on first and second crease line, just joining these markings like this, and diagonally joining from topmost corner and the third crease line corner. Similarly repeating on the left side, and then I am just simply cutting the pencil markings. Erasing the pencil work and folding all the parts, burnishing it very well using bone folder to make the crisp folds. Then joining the first part with the last one. And this is completely ready. With the similar method I have prepared one more pipe with the same measurements. So all 4 sides are done. Now it's time to construct the shadow box. So just add little glue and start connecting all these pipes together. And the shadow box is ready. Very pretty. Then here I am taking 14.5 by 4 centimeter pattern paper, and from both the sides I have folded at 1.5 centimeters. Now I am sticking it on one side of the box. All the pattern papers which I am using today are handmade, and I have shown how to create festive pattern paper at home in my previous video. If you haven't checked yet, just go to the description box. I have given link of the video. Similarly I am going to cover the left and right sides and keeping the fourth side as it is because I am going to attach the pattern paper later. Then I have decorated the inner side as well using another pattern paper. Now it's quite sturdy. Then to make base, here I am taking 11 by 11 centimeter light green color cardstock and also one beautiful pattern paper which is little smaller than the base, sticking it on the green base, then attaching the base with the box. and this is done. So base box is ready. Now it's time to attach ribbons. So from back side I am just sticking one piece of organza ribbon. And covering it with one more 11 by 11 centimeter yellow color cardstock for finished look. So this is done. Now to create lid, I am taking one yellow color cardstock which is 15 by 11 centimeters, and it will come on top like this. I have just folded it at 4 centimeters. So I am sticking it on the fourth side on which we haven't attached any pattern paper yet. And now we can decorate this part as well using pattern paper strip. Then attaching another piece of ribbon on top of the lid. And then I am decorating the top also using one yellow color cardstock which is 11 by 11 centimeters. Now we can tie the ribbon and the base box is ready. Now to create second box, here I am taking this 17 by 17 centimeter green cardstock, and from left side I have creased at 2 and 4 centimeters. From right side also I have creased at 2, 4, then rotate the sheet, creased at 2 and 4 from both the sides. Okay, so from all 4 sides I have creased at 2 and 4. Now folding all the creases and burnishing it nicely, and then we just need to cut the corners like this. This is a double layered box. That means on each side of the box we will have 2 layers to create the box more sturdy. So I'm just simply chopping the 4 corners like this. So cutting is done. Now it's time to construct the box. And the base box is ready, nice and crisp. Then to make lid I am taking 11.3 by 11.3 centimeter cardstock, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now chopping the corners like this and creating the lid. So the lid is ready and it's fitting perfectly on top of the box. Then I have decorated my middle box as well using some more handmade pattern papers, and on the top I have attached yellow color cardstock. So this is also done. Now it's time to create the third box. For this I am taking this green cardstock piece which is 15 by 15 centimeters, and I have creased at 2 and 4 centimeters from all the sides, just like we did before, and I have chopped all 4 corners just like the previous one, and I'm quickly constructing the box. So the box is ready, and to create lid I am taking yellow cardstock, which is 10.3 by 10.3 centimeters, and from all the sides I have creased at 1.4 centimeters. Now I have already chopped the corners like this, and quickly I am constructing the lid. So here is the final look of third box, which is decorated using pattern paper, and this time I have used same pattern paper as the base. So after attaching all 3 layers, the complete 3-tier box will look like this. Now it's time to connect all 3 layers together. So first I am connecting the middle one, and then on top of this I am going to attach the topmost layer. So the beautiful 3-tier box is ready. Now it's time to make the decorations. So on all the edge of the boxes I am attaching this beautiful scalloped border. I have cut this border using die, but you can also use any kind of border punch to decorate this. And similarly I have attached the borders on all the sides. Then on topmost layer I am attaching one more piece of cardstock for the complete look. And the box is ready. Now to start with paper quilling flower, here I am taking half strip of white color in 3mm and wrapping it around the paintbrush and making one ring shape. Then pinching the ring from both the sides and making the leaf. Similarly, I have prepared already some more, so I am joining total 9 petals together and making the flower. So this is done. Now to make center, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 10mm, folding it for 4 times like this, and start making fringes using scissors. So fringe strip is ready. Now I am connecting half strip of yellow color in 3mm with this, and then I'll make the fringe flower. So flower is ready. Just open all the fringes, and I'm chopping the excess fringes from all the sides to make the even look flower. So this is done. Now taking back the flower, and exactly in the center I am sticking the fringe flower, and this is ready. Now to make another flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3mm and making one leaf shape. I am joining total 5 petals together and adding 3mm half cut pearl in the center. So this is also ready. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. So leaf is also ready. Then to make scrolls, I am taking 2 pieces of 1/4 sap green and 2 pieces of 1/4 dark sap green, gathering all together, folding from center and start rotating this using pointed tweezer and make the scroll. So this is the filler of our flower construction and the scroll is ready. So here is my beautiful floral platter. I have created different sizes of flowers using the same method. Lots of leaves, lots of yellow small flowers and scrolls. The platter is looking very pretty, isn't it? Now we are going to attach all these flowers, leaves and scrolls on our project. So taking back my 3-tier box and sticking the flowers in the falling way. So starting from topmost corner towards the bottom corner, I am going to attach the flowers, and between the flowers I am going to stick leaves and scrolls and the small flowers as the fillers. So this is completely ready. How gorgeous this is looking. And just remember one thing, while attaching the parts, you have to check each time that your lid should open nicely. Now on the topmost box, I am putting one handmade Rakhi. Then on the second box, I am putting the cash envelope. You can also put dry fruits or mithai or roli kumkum chawal. And on the last most box, I am putting some chocolates. You can also put some gifts like watch or any wallet inside the last box. Quickly tying the ribbon, and the beautiful 3-tier box for Raksha Bandhan is ready. You can also use this box for anniversaries, weddings, as a shagun, or for all the occasions like Diwali. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.